Good morning, friends. Myself Niranjan Naik. Today is 15 January. Let's have a tour to the history of events happened on this day in form of questionnaires. Question number 1. Who took over as the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army from the last British Commander-General Sir Francis Roy Butcher on this day in 1949? Answer: K.M. Cariappa. Army Day is observed to commemorate this incident. Question number 2. Who is the first athlete from India born on this day in 1926 to win an individual medal in Olympics? Answer: K.D. Jadhav. Khasab Dadasaheb Jadhav. He won bronze medal in 1952 Summer Olympics in Helsinki. Question number 3. Who, along with Gandhi and Satyapal, was arrested in protest in Punjab against legislation, in consequence of which a public had gathered at Jallianwala Bagh? Answer: Saifuddin Kichlu, born on this day in 1888. Question number 4. Which Indian civil servant born on this day in 1934 was 13th Governor of Karnataka and 9th Chief Election Commissioner of India, succeeded by T.N. Seshan? Answer: V.S. Ramadevi. Question number 5. Which Indian bowler took 16 wickets in his first test match against West Indies on this day in 1988? Answer: Narendra Hirwani. Question number 6. Which organization was founded by William Jones and presided by Robert Chambers in Kolkata on this day in 1784? Answer: Asiatic Society of Bengal. Question number 7. Who is India's first female photojournalist known by pseudonym Dalda 13, died on this day in 2012? Answer: Homayi Bhairawala. Question number 8. Which museum first opened to the public at Montague House in London on this day in 1759? Answer: British Museum. Question number 9. What is the name of the world's largest office building whose construction completed on this day in 1943? Answer: the Pentagon, headquarters building of US Department of Defense. Question number 10. What is the name of the free encyclopedia that became available on internet for the first time on this day in 2001? Answer: Wikipedia. Friends, if you feel the video is useful for your preparation to the competitive examinations, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.